So I'm going to log in here as my end user account that I've created and show you what an end user experience looks like. Now, once I've logged in, you'll notice at the top right, you can see my login name, and I can apply some personalization options there. I could see alerts. So, for example, if you want to push an alert saying, hey, we have maintenance on Saturday, that would show up here. You can also allow your customers to use a feedback mechanism. This is driven by email, so you could customize the email that the customers, when they submit feedback, will be sent to. Out of the box, when you log in as a Workspaces client, your feedback will submit directly to our help desk. So we use Zendesk on the back end as an example, and Zendesk can take emails and turn them into tickets, and that's exactly what we do. And it's real easy to submit any new feedback here and have that create a ticket so we can immediately aid you with any support. So I'm going to talk about the RDP feed URL in a second. That's an alternate method of launching. From the portal URL, you can launch, you can see the applications that are available here. You can organize them depending on which is most frequently used or what's not. And then to launch, you simply click the launch button, download the RDP file, and launch that application. Now, I had my credentials pre-loaded here because that's an option. You could save credentials so you're not prompted every time. Otherwise, it would be my email address and password, the same one that I logged in to access the portal. So that's one way of launching, and I have Google Chrome started. However, I've used this RDP feed URL to integrate directly with my Windows 10 operating system here, and I can show you a little bit of how that works by going in my Start menu down to my Workspaces folder, and I can launch other applications. So for instance, if I wanted to launch Internet Explorer, or maybe I want to launch other applications here, like say for instance PowerPoint or Word, I can launch those directly from my Start menu. Now obviously this is a very seamless experience when doing remote launching, and so we really recommend that when you integrate with your end customers, this is the direction that you take them. And use it, so using that RDP feed URL is really the best user experience. So that kind of wraps up our end user experience. The goal here is that it's seamless, it's integrated, it's easy to use, and it doesn't change a whole lot about the way users use applications. You can also launch full desktops, so this would be a full desktop experience, or you can integrate that full desktop experience with the feed URL, and I could launch a full desktop here directly from my Start menu as well.